There goes Opal all around, looking up and looking down. She is flying in the air, hope she finds our sound somewhere.
Should we go and help her?
Come on, Opal, let's go soon, look for sounds in our room.
Good morning, Opal. How are you today? Oh, I'm glad you're doing well. Are you ready for our next sound? This sounds a little bit tricky because there's 3 letters groups that kind of sound the same. Do you think you can do it? Oh, wow. Okay, so we're going to do the k sound, like in C says k. Can you try and make that sound? No, you got to say k. 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 Wow, you're so good at that sound, Opal. Are you ready to go find some words? Yeah, was that a yes? Okay, off we go then. Oh, Opal, you're singing or clapping? Nope, not clapping. Oh, you have castanets and you're doing a song. K for castanet, isn't it? Well, that's lovely. Those are a fun thing to play with and make music with. Castanet with the k sound. Oh, there you are, Opal. I see you have something new there. I see some paint, but that doesn't start with the k sound. Oh, they're all different colors. K for colors. Oh, that's a neat idea. Getting creative with the k sound. Listening to the phone ring.
Good morning. This is your wake-up call. If you require another one in 5 minutes, please press 5 now. Have a nice day.
Trying to go back to bed again, Opal. Just hitting snooze on your alarm. Man, well, are you trying to call someone? Oh, with the k sound this time. Well, I see you like your little wake-up call there. No? All right. Okay, well, let's go find another sound. Oh, Opal, in the tree again. What have you found this? Oh, that's a cat. Oh, for cat in the hat with the k sound. Another friend. You're so no, don't bite his head. Opal, be nice to your friends. Stop. Oh.
With Opal today, we learned the k sound. Do you remember the k sound words that Opal found? That's right. She found castanets, colors, call, and cat. See if you can find some more words in your classroom. Ready? Go!
There goes Opal all around, looking up and looking down.